And so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add subtitles for YouTube Shorts, and of course the easiest way to do that. So let me just go here first of all, or you should just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser that could be possibly working for you or suits you. So of course when you do that, all you need to do, just go here to the URL and type vid.eo and hit the enter button. So of course this will actually or get you into this page, which is the main or the home screen. So of course you would like to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, just go and click at sign up and create your account. For me, I'm just going to create my account with a Google account or Gmail account, because I don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, and you can do the same. So let me just here set a name, tester, and hit the next button, and of course test as well, because I'm just gonna like do random stuff. Continue with free. And of course, as you can see here, you will have the template of what you want. So of course, for me, I'm just going here to click at edit a video and then click at new video. And of course, you have here create projects, start recording, or go live. So of course, I'm just going to click at create projects. And of course, when you click at create a project, this will actually open this for you. So of course, from here, you'd like to click at upload a file and upload your shorts from here. So that is my shorts uploaded, as you can see right here. So from here, we would like to go and click at subtitles right here. And as you can see, we will have the auto subtitles, we will have the manual subtitles, or upload a subtitled files. So of course, if you have a file of subtitles uploaded, if you want to do it manually, go ahead and click here. And if you want to go and add auto subtitle, just go and click here at auto subtitle. Of course, you'd like first of all to choose the language from here. As you can see, you have here several languages. So let's say as an example this. Click at create subtitles, and of course you'll need to wait a bit until your video or this application or website generate your subtitles. So let me just cut the video until this ends. As you can see, now it's add actually the title, and you can even edit it if you want. And then all you need to do, just click at export to have your video with subtitles. Of course, that just add some subtitles, not for the full video, just for this first scene. You can just add new lines for the full video. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.